Good afternoon. Welcome to Vidhyalakshmi YouTube channel. I am Antuvan Sundarraj, English teacher. I am going to teach tenses, present tense for the classes 6 to 8. Shall we start? Today we are going to learn present tense. We use lot of sentences in speaking and writing. Yes? And we use many tenses in writing and speaking also. How many tenses are there in common? Do you know? Can you guess the answer? Yes, you are right. There are commonly 3 tenses in Tamil or English, whatever language. Commonly there are 3. What are they? Yes, present tense, past tense and future tense. These 3 are the common tenses. But in English, there are 12 tenses. You know what are they? Each one, present, past, future, further divided into 4. But for example, if you take the present tense, simple present tense, present continuous, present perfect continuous. Like that, divided into 4. The same way past and future also. So altogether it is 12 tenses. Okay. Before continuing, let me ask you a question. What is a tense? Can you guess the answer? What is a tense? Because in daily writing and speaking, we are using sentences. It is in a tense. We use appropriate tense for writing and speaking. Okay, what is the meaning of tense? Tense means nothing but it is denoting the time. Time is equal to the tense. You see here, tense means time. It denotes the time of action. Okay, because we use a lot of verbs, it shows the action. Okay, look at these examples. We played football yesterday. I eat a mango. She will go to Chennai next week. So these are some sentences. Okay, can you identify what tense they are? Please look at the sentences. Can you identify the tense? In which tense they are? First one, we played football yesterday. I eat a mango. She will go to Chennai next week. Okay. Shall I show the answer? Okay. So the first one is in the past tense. The second sentence is present tense. And the third is future tense. Again back. You see here, we played. So played. This is the past tense of the verb. What is the present tense of the verb? It is nothing but play. Play is the present tense. The past tense is played. So it is in the simple past tense. I eat a mango. It is a present tense. Okay, eat. Eat is the past tense. So this sentence is in present tense. She will go to Chennai next week. So will go. This is the future tense. So we are able to find out the tenses, whether it is present or past or future. Okay. So what is the reason or how we find out a tense of a sentence? By using what we are finding a tense, mainly because of the verbs. Verbs denotes the tense or the time of action. You see here. Okay. So verbs denote the time of action. In other words, we say a sentence is in present tense or past tense or future tense by using the verb. So by using verb only, we will be able to say a sentence whether it is present or past or future. Okay, now let's go to next topic. So here, when we talk about the verb, what is a verb? Verb is nothing but an action word. We do lot of things. All the things are expressed by verbs. Okay. Verb is an action word. Verbs describe any action. Okay. And there are 3 forms of the verb. Any verb you take, there are 3 forms. The 3 forms are important. We say the form V1, V2 and V3. Or we can say in other word, this is present. This is present tense. This is nothing but past. and this is past participle. These are the three forms. If you know these three forms of the verb, it is easy for us to find out the tenses in the sentence. For example, look at this, belong. This is the present tense. Belonged, belonged. These are past and past participle. Or we can say V1, V2, V3. Like that, build, built, built. Educate, educated, educated. Bid, bid, bid. Freeze, froze, frozen. Like that, for all the verbs, we can write the three forms. Or there are two other forms. That is ing. We can add ing, belonging, building. That we'll learn later. But at present, for learning the present tense, simple present tense, the verb one, all the verb one forms denotes the present tense. Now, how to use the verbs in the sentences, simple present tense. Now I am going to write some simple present tense. For example, I play. What is I? I is the subject. What is play? Play is the verb. This follows a structure. What is the structure? Subject plus verb. That means it is a sentence. Okay, it is a full sentence. I play. What I play? Suppose I say I play football. I play football. That means this is object. So S plus V plus O, SVO. So we follow structure. This is a simple sentence in present tense. Like that we can write many sentences. For example, I play. The next one, we play. You play. He, can you say play or? Yeah, he plays. She plays. It plays. They play. Please look at the sentences. You see here, I play, we play, you play, he plays, she plays, it plays, they play. So why we add here yes? Because this is called first person singular, first person plural. This is called second person. This is first person, second person. He, she, it, they are called third person singular. When third person singular comes in the present tense alone, simple present tense, in the verb, we got to add yes or es. Here we are adding yes. For example, the verb comes go. Okay, he go to Chennai. Is it right? No. We got to put es. He goes to Chennai. So like that, he, she, it comes mean in the verb, we got to add yes or es. That is the rule in the simple present tense. Okay, now let us see when we can use simple present tense for speaking about a habitual action and general truth. What is the meaning of habitual action? Anything you are doing regularly, every day, that means we got to use simple present tense. For example, I drink tea every morning. Why? Drink is a present tense. Why mean every morning, every day, usually, daily. If any action we are repeating daily, usually, that is we are going to use the simple present tense. Okay, suppose for example, okay, she go for a walk daily. Is it correct? Do you remember the rule? What we got to do? Simple present tense, third person, we got to add yes or es. She goes for a walk daily. So anything we do daily, that means we got to use simple present tense. And in third person, he, she, it, we got to use yes or es along the verb. So I hope you understand the simple present tense. Okay. In next class, we'll learn the past tense. Thank you, students.